Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you modeling and texturing of this 3D modern home on Blender app. So to model and texture this 3D home on Blender, let's open the Blender app. Select all these objects and delete them. Then open the building tool add-on and click on create floor plan to create a floor. Then make scale along x-axis to 5 and along y-axis I will make it 8 meters. Then go to edit mode and click on add floor to add a floor. After adding this floor, I will decrease the slab offset and slab thickness. Then increase the height of floor. Then select the face selector, select this face and add a floor. After adding this floor, add roof on it. You can select any shape of roof, gable shape roof, hip shape roof or flat shape roof. I will select this hip shape roof, then increase its offset and I will increase its thickness and its height. Press Ctrl R and add two lookers like this. Select this face and click on add window to add a window. Decrease the width and decrease the frame thickness. Increase the count value to 3 and increase the height of windows. After making these 3 windows, next I will make windows on top face. Select this face and click on add window to add 3 windows here. Increase the height of these windows and move them vertically downward, and I will increase its height again. Select this face and add 3 windows here. Then select this face and I will make 1 window here. Decrease count value to 1 and increase the scale of this window. Then I will make garage door here. Select this face and click on add door to add a door here. Then increase its height. Decrease the frame thickness and frame depth. Then select this face and click on add door to add a door. Add a door here, then decrease its width, move it horizontally and decrease the frame thickness. Now increase the frame depth and move the door inside like this. Select this face and add a window here. Decrease the height of this window. So all the doors and windows for the home are ready. After making these doors and windows, next I will select the faces of these doors and windows and then delete these faces. After deleting these faces, you can see the view. Next I will add some lookers. After adding these lookers, next I will select faces. Select the face selector, select this face, select this face, this face, this face, this face and these window faces. After selecting these faces, I will extrude them forward and then bevel them. After making these faces, you can see the view. Next I will add a modifier to it. For this, go to object mode, then go to modifier setting and add a solidify modifier. Hit even thickness and I will increase some thickness. Apply the modifier setting. After this, I'm going to make window and door for the home. I will download door and window files from the Sketchfab. After downloading them, go to file and import the door and window file. First I will import garage door. Import it. After importing it, move it. Then I will use this large door. Select this small door and delete it. Then select this large door and I will use it for garage. Select the large door. First scale up. Then select the rotate tab and rotate it. Select the move tab and move the door to its frame. And then I will scale down along y-axis and scale up along z-axis. Again rotate and again fix it. So garage door is ready. After making this door, next I'm going to make home front door. Import the door, scale up, move it and select the large door and delete it. Then I will use this small door for the home front door. Select the move tab and move the door to its position and rotate it. Move the door to its frame. Then I will scale down along Y and also scale down along Z axis. Then move the door to its frame and again adjust the scales along Y axis and along Z axis. After making this door, next I'm going to import window file. Import the window file and move it downward and then I will adjust its scales along Z axis and along Y axis. Move the window to its frame. After making this window, duplicate it and move it along z-axis like this, and then I will adjust this window right here. Scale up along z-axis, then scale up along y-axis and move it, and then adjust it to its frame. After making these windows, next I'm going to import small windows. Go to file and import the glass window. Import it and then scale down it. Select the move tab and move it and rotate it. Again select the move tab and move the window to its position and scale down along z-axis and along y-axis. Move it downward and move it along y-axis and scale up along z-axis. Adjust the window to its frame. After making this window, duplicate it and move it along y-axis. Again duplicate and move it along y-axis. Again select this window and duplicate and move it along z-axis, and then scale up along z-axis. Adjust its position and adjust the scales of this window. After making this window, I will duplicate it and move it along y-axis. Select the window, duplicate and move it along y-axis. Press Shift to duplicate and move it along y-axis. Select the window and duplicate and move it along y-axis, and then scale down along z-axis. Duplicate and move it along y-axis. Once again duplicate it and move it along the y-axis. After making all the windows and door, you can see the view of the home. Windows and doors are properly adjusted to their position. Next I'm going to add material to it. Select the house, then open the Blender kit. In the material category I will select tiles material. Then I will apply this tile material, then go to edit mode. Then I will select the roof faces and also select the slab faces. In the material category select roofing, and then I will apply this brown roof tiles. Click on it to apply it. Select the front faces of home. After selecting all these front faces, next again go to tile material, and I will apply this tile material to front face of the home. Click on it to apply it, then go to object mode, see the shader view. So all the materials are properly applied. You can see the view of the home. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, show your reaction in the comment section, and if you want our services, connect us on the LinkedIn. See you in the next video. Bye bye.